Hey, my name is Genevieve Castonguay, and this is my beautiful backdrop in Dunrobin, Ontario, where I currently reside. And I'm the owner and operator of Goddess Gains. It is a personal training business that have helped hundreds of people regain their wellness from a mind, body, and spirit perspective. Now, over 3 years ago, I decided to make a big switch, and this had to do with my nutrition. See, fitness is paramount to your success, but nutrition plays such an integral role for your internal health. After having thyroid cancer and hormonal imbalances for years, I decided to take it upon myself to do the extensive, deep digging research into my nutrition and find out if there's a missing piece of the puzzle. I found that the ketogenic lifestyle has been a tremendous overhaul for my life, and I am currently, if you want to see, 30 weeks pregnant with our first child. I am proud to say conceived naturally, and keto has a big role in that. Did you know that over the last 2 years, since the beginning of 2017, I have hosted over 40 different workshops, meetups, seminars, and talks about the ketogenic lifestyle. 17 of them were right here at the Natural Food Pantry. Something really important to remember is that having the knowledge is one thing, but putting it into action is step number 2 and likely the most critical one to your success. With an informed accountability partner as your coach and your mentor and friend, I am here to help support your journey and ensure that you don't fall off the rails. At the end of the day, I want lasting results for you. This is not a diet, this is a lifestyle, and let's make this change for your future today. So in the humble beginnings of Goddess Gains comes Keto Better Life, merging fitness with the world of nutrition and ketogenic lifestyle. I am proud to be accepting some new clients right now for a 12-week exclusive program. It is going to be completely customized to fit your needs. So if you want more information, go to ketobetterlife.com and let's get started.